Plemont, isn't it? Check this out. What's going on, Ross? What beach are we at? We don't even know.
I don't know. One in Jersey, anyway.
Somewhere on the north coast of Jersey.
Yeah. Absolutely stunning.
It is gorgeous. Ah, it's Plemont, there we are. Sorry, that's the name of it.
Oh, sorry.
Plemont. Reese is down there trying to go cave swimming. Apparently the water comes up to here. Wow. This is really nice. Imagine this is still UK. That's the funny thing.
Oh, yeah. This is my favourite beach in Jersey.
So far this is the favourite beach, yeah.
Definitely.
This is great. Look at
We're
that.
up right in the north, is it?
North, yeah, north, west.
Northwest. Imagine coming here to watch the sunset.
Yeah, look at that.
Sunrise.
Go down there last.
Which one? Oh, in there. Wow.
Oh, that's chilly.
That's actually not bad.
I felt off.
Yeah, it's not bad. Right, so Plemont Beach. Check out these little rock water pools. Super clear water. Wow. Let's go for a dip in this. Oh, there's actually fish in here as well. Check out the fish. Come nibble on your feet probably. This is absolutely stunning. Sent Reese round with my GoPro. Hopefully get some good shots around the caves. We're gonna have a little wander in here. See what we see, I guess, inside the caves. There goes Reese. Just walked through from there. Went straight into this cave. Hopefully before the tide comes down, of course. Got some waterfalls coming down there. Amazing. Check this out. Wow. Hope that focus as well. Bro, how are you getting signal down here? That's not what's getting signal down here. To this place. Would not want to get stuck in here, that's for sure. Literally just goes up. And then that's it. Just like all the rocks have just been digging away at the caves. Don't want to get too close to the end, just in case unstable. I think we'll cross underneath here. You can see the light on the other side. Wow, look at that, man. Amazing. Proper hard rock. And this is around the top of the that's someone's Nerf toy. Rescue the Nerf toy, shall I? We're gonna have a walk straight through this waterfall area. Mate, did you go through the waterfall? Did you go through the waterfall? Hey? Look what I found. Found a little story at the end of that. Yeah. So let's have a little walk through. Just want to get video. Reese is back. What's going on?
Made it. Wiped out a few times, but
You wiped out a few times. What did you? Oh, there goes the glasses. Nice. We can walk through there as well. At the bottom of that canyon before. Fun enough for it too. That is stunning. Reese is having a little shower of the day. Yeah, crazy, amazing. That rainbow there as well. Just gonna walk our way out now from that cave area. Amazing. Just gotta be careful with the seaweed. That is very slippery. The slippers are alright, but not on the seaweed. We found a wild Reese. Proper cool, man. Look at that. The wild Reese is gone again. Somewhere. I think me and Ross are just gonna chill over here for a little bit. Wise decision. Check this out, man. Amazing. Yeah, this is Plemont Beach. A lot of people still hanging around, probably waiting for the tide to come in. Just a minute ago, this was down. Now look, straight up. That's where I was walking in the fishes earlier. Beginning of the video, which is probably like 5 minutes ago. But yeah, there we are. Look, check out the waves coming in. You see the waves coming in? Huge. Now check these out. That is really coming in fast. So that's dry sand at the minute. It's going to be wet sand and gone in a second. Just hope Reese doesn't get stuck in them caves. He's a bit of a lunatic, but yeah, he's going to be missed if he does. Just look at that water behind me, it's going away. Sand is disappearing. Now let me just stand up here just to show you how quick it's coming up. Check this out now, it's gone all the way up to the top here now. These are trying to run away from the waves. Amazing. Reese is sitting in the sea over there. Yeah, the water's come way up now. And the beach is completely almost gone. We've got some good footage on this too, on the water. Quite cool. Yeah, this is Plemont Beach with the tide coming straight in.
Right, yep.
Just check out how big these waves are. It's getting bigger and bigger. Incredible. So we're waiting a little while, and look at this. The water's come way up. Reese is still in there swimming, enjoying the waves. I'm going to show you the back of this bit here. So there's the stairs, and that's where the beach was. completely disappeared now. Look at that. Big waves as well. Awesome. Look at that, man. Incredible. Yeah, this is Plemont when the tide comes out. Wow. That was good. Wait. So yeah, that's Plemont all done. Time to head home. Home now. Make sure you like, comment down there somewhere.